Would you like to see my sneaky kitchen organizing tip? I don't know how I discovered this, but it worked out. Hey, busy mom, how are you? You are in the kitchen with Deb. I am Deb, and I am your personal kitchen consultant. Today, I am going to show you my sneaky little kitchen trick. Now, I love organizing. I love decluttering. It's me. It's just something that comes naturally to me. And I had to make space in my cabinet. And I don't even know how I came up with this brilliant idea, but I did. And it worked. It really worked. And this is the whole stack I'm talking about in front of me, which I will show you. Now, I'm showing you this, busy mom, because I know you're busy. I know you have a lot of stuff like I do. And our cabinet space is limited. I know I don't have a lot of space. I have to make it work. So, and if you're like me, you're going to want to keep watching this video. This is my 9x13 pan. And I have my little tray to go with it. My little tray to go with it too. And I started with that. Then, that's that. Then I had in my cabinet, which I need to make room for, well, I had a Tupperware tray. And I'm like, it's really big for the one drawer I have. So I'm like, what can I use this for? So I actually put it down, and it went right in the 9x13 tray. And I'm like, perfect. So now, what I've got in it, I sneakily hide things. An ashtray for guests, my silicone bakingware, extra utensils. That's like a genius. This works. I don't really need this for food. I have other containers. So I'm going to use this, and that won't take up a lot of space. Then, I had my baking trays. And I'm like, So you can see, there's a bunch of them here. Now, how many would you guess are in this pile? Technically, there's 5. Technically, you could probably only see maybe 3 or 4. So, I've got the silicone bakeware, the blue. I've got my other round cake plate for cakes. I've got, nested in that, I've got a pie tin. 2 pie tins. Oh, 2 pie tins. I've got 6 things. And 2 pumpkin pie plates. Or cheesecake. When you make your graham cracker cheesecake. So technically, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 things sneakily hidden in my kitchen cabinet. And here's my stack. That's as much space as it takes up with starting with my 9x13. And it worked perfect in the cabinet. Now this is what we're doing in my group this week. We're having the kitchen cabinet challenge. And some people are getting stuck. I can't fit all this stuff back in my cabinet. I got it out, but I can't get it back in. This is where you got to start creatively thinking. Try to stack what you can as best as you can and sneakily hide it. Get it in there. And I didn't know what to do with the utensils. I needed to hide all that stuff because I don't want them just falling out of the cabinet. So it worked. Voila. So, join my group for the Kitchen Cabinet Decluttering Challenge because those videos are only going to be up until Sunday. We were supposed to start the challenge on Monday, but we started on Tuesday because of the Facebook outage. So, today we're getting back in our kitchen cabinets. I'm going to go in my group next and we're gonna go get the final day of the challenge done. Now you can still catch up. You can still get your decluttering ebook so that you have it too. It's not too late. And like I said, the videos will be up until Sunday. Drag your friends along with you too into the group, because there's a lot of great before and after pictures coming in. I got a lot of great feedback from you guys. It's been a great journey. We've all learned a lot. So you can always get your Decluttering Your Worst Kitchen Cabinet ebook. That's my freebie. You need that to do the challenge. And I will see you in Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration group. So join the decluttering challenge that's up till Sunday. Bye, ladies.